Let me show you how to view a vault in 1Password. So once you're in 1Password, guys, I recommend that you go to my.1password.com, log into your 1Password account. That's going to make it pretty, let's say, open for you to see all the details about the 1Password vaults. And so once you're here within your account, you can find the vault on the left side and you can click on whichever vault that you have. Now, you can view the vault by looking here. You'll find view vault. And once you click on that, you can click on it or you can right click and open in a new window. It's going to open up that vault. And so you will be able to log in and view the details of the vault. Here it will says, let's improve vault together. And you don't have to really do anything right here. It's basically share analytics and all those stuff. You can say confirm choice or you can say remind me later. But here you can see it opens up the vault and I can see vault. No, this is an empty one, but you get the general idea how you will be able to see all the details of the vault right here. And you can add items in the vault and so forth, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.